Welcome back to everyone. In this video I will guide you how to manage app permission on Moto G37. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, click on see all apps. After click on see all apps, scroll down and you will see app list is here. So select app, click on permission. After click on permission and click on microphone, so you will see ask every time, don't allow only while using the app. You will see after the process, go back to home screen. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.